baby anymore. He's a teenage boy, doused in cheap aftershave. Romeo. Of all the ridiculous names. So I did think I was going to spend this evening with Harry. Finally together. Finally free. But no, he's off with Steve. I'm alone. Wondering how it is. Just when I think things can't get any worse, Mac finds a way to kick me when I'm down.
James, darling, where are you going?
To find out.